Hello and welcome back to Curiosity English Academy. I'm Lena.
And I'm Marcus. Today's session is a powerful one because we are focusing on something that makes spoken English sound instantly more natural.
That's right. Today we are practicing 50 everyday phrasal verbs that native speakers use all the time.
If you understand grammar but still feel your English sounds a bit formal or stiff, this lesson will help you sound more relaxed and natural.
We will introduce each phrasal verb, explain when to use it, and give you clear examples you can repeat later.
Just listen comfortably the first time, then you can replay and practice out loud.
Ready? Let's begin.
Phrasal verb number 1, wake up. This means to stop sleeping.
Example 1. I usually wake up at 7. Example 2. I woke up feeling refreshed today.
Number 2, get up. This means to leave your bed.
Example 1. I get up right after my alarm. Example 2. He got up and made some coffee.
Number 3, hurry up. This means to move faster.
Example 1. Please hurry up, we are getting late. Example 2. I hurried up and finished my work.
Number 4, calm down. This means to relax when you're upset.
Example 1. Take a deep breath and calm down. Example 2. She calmed down after the meeting.
Number 5, find out. This means to discover information.
Example 1. I found out the answer online. Example 2. We need to find out what happened.
Number 6, give up. This means to stop trying.
Example 1. Don't give up too quickly. Example 2. He gave up learning Spanish.
Number 7, go on. This means to continue.
Example 1. Please go on with your story. Example 2. The meeting went on for hours.
Number 8, look for. This means to try to find something.
Example 1. I am looking for my keys. Example 2. She is looking for a new job.
Number 9, look after. This means to take care of someone or something.
Example 1. I look after my younger brother. Example 2. She looked after the dog.
Number 10, run into. This means to meet someone unexpectedly.
Example 1. I ran into my teacher yesterday. Example 2. He ran into an old friend at the mall.
Number 11, take off. This could mean to remove clothing or when a plane leaves the ground.
Example 1. He took off his jacket. Example 2. The plane took off on time.
Number 12, put on. This means to wear something.
Example 1. I put on my shoes quickly. Example 2. She put on a warm coat.
Number 13, turn on. This means to start a device.
Example 1. Please turn on the lights. Example 2. He turned on the computer.
Number 14, turn off. This means to stop a device.
Example 1. Don't forget to turn off the fan. Example 2. She turned off the TV.
Number 15, show up. This means to arrive somewhere.
Example 1. He showed up late. Example 2. Only 5 people showed up.
Number 16, set up. This means to arrange or prepare something.
Example 1. We set up the meeting room. Example 2. She set up her new phone.
Number 17, pick up. This has several meanings, including to collect something.
Example 1. I will pick you up at 6. Example 2. He picked up some groceries.
Number 18, drop off. This means to take someone somewhere and leave them there.
Example 1. I dropped off my friend at the station. Example 2. She dropped off the package.
Number 19, bring up. This means to mention a topic.
Example 1. She brought up an interesting idea. Example 2. He brought up the problem in the meeting.
Number 20, come back. This means to return.
Example 1. I will come back later. Example 2. She came back from vacation.
Number 21. Work out. This can mean exercise or find a solution.
Example 1. I work out 3 times a week. Example 2. We worked out the problem.
Number 22. Check out. This means to examine or leave a hotel.
Example 1. Check out this new app. Example 2. We checked out at noon.
Number 23. Figure out. This means to understand something.
Example 1. I finally figured out the answer. Example 2. She is trying to figure it out.
Number 24. Carry on. This means to continue.
Example 1. Please carry on with your work. Example 2. They carried on talking.
Number 25. Cut down on. This means to reduce something.
Example 1. I am cutting down on sugar. Example 2. He cut down on screen time.
Number 26. Fill out. This means to complete a form.
Example 1. Please fill out this form. Example 2. She filled out the application.
Number 27. Get along. This means to have a good relationship.
Example 1. We get along very well. Example 2. They get along with their neighbors.
Number 28. Hold on. This means to wait briefly.
Example 1. Hold on a moment. Example 2. Please hold on while I check.
Number 29. Keep up. This means to continue at the same pace.
Example 1. Try to keep up with the lesson. Example 2. He kept up with the class.
Number 30. Leave out. This means to omit something.
Example 1. Don't leave out important details. Example 2. She left out one name.
Number 31. Make up. This can mean invent or reconcile.
Example 1. He made up a story. Example 2. They made up after the argument.
Number 32. Move on. This means to continue to the next thing.
Example 1. Let's move on to the next topic. Example 2. She moved on quickly.
Number 33. Point out. This means to highlight something.
Example 1. He pointed out the mistake. Example 2. She pointed out the difference.
Number 34. Run out of. This means to have no more of something.
Example 1. I ran out of time. Example 2. We ran out of milk.
Number 35. Sort out. This means to organize or solve.
Example 1. I need to sort out my schedule. Example 2. They sorted out the issue.
Number 36. Speak up. This means to speak louder.
Example 1. Please speak up. Example 2. He spoke up clearly.
Number 37. Take over. This means to assume control.
Example 1. She took over the project. Example 2. He will take over tomorrow.
Number 38. Throw away. This means to discard.
Example 1. Don't throw away the notes. Example 2. She threw away the paper.
Number 39. Try on. This means to test clothing.
Example 1. I tried on the jacket. Example 2. She tried it on.
Number 40. Turn up. This means to appear or increase volume.
Example 1. He turned up late. Example 2. Turn up the music.
Number 41. Back up. This means to support or make a copy.
Example 1. Back up your files. Example 2. I will back you up.
Number 42. Break down. This means stop working or become emotional.
Example 1. My car broke down. Example 2. She broke down in tears.
Number 43. Come across. This means to find by chance.
Example 1. I came across an old photo. Example 2. He came across a useful article.
Number 44. Get over. This means to recover.
Example 1. It took time to get over the flu. Example 2. She got over the disappointment.
Number 45. Look back. This means to reflect on the past.
Example 1, I look back and smile. Example 2, she looked back on her career.
Number 46. Pay off. This means to succeed after effort.
Example 1, hard work paid off. Example 2, his practice paid off.
Number 47. Put off. This means to delay.
Example 1, don't put off your homework. Example 2, she put off the meeting.
Number 48. Step down. This means to resign.
Example 1, he stepped down as manager. Example 2, she stepped down last year.
Number 49. Wind down. This means to relax gradually.
Example 1, I wind down at night. Example 2, she is winding down now.
Number 50. Zone out. This means to lose focus.
Example 1, I zoned out during the lecture. Example 2, he zoned out for a moment.
And that completes today's powerful phrasal verb session.
Don't try to memorize all 50 at once.
Choose 5, use them this week, and come back tomorrow.
Thank you for practicing with Curiosity English Academy.
Keep learning,
Keep speaking.
and we will see you in the next session.